Another story that is going to grow through time and is this story of Iska Iska, the geology's model after the Potosi district. The two images up there in the upper right show Cerro Rico de Potosi, which is the biggest silver deposit on Earth. And basically, that mountain has been riddled by workings, mainly focused on the high grade, but there is a huge volume of disseminated mineralization. At Iska Iska, which is south of Potosi, like 120 odd kilometers, I believe, we have a similar volcano, but there's no history of mining. Why? Because that volcano has not eroded down into the productive part of the system so much. Okay, what it means is the entire thing is preserved. An amazing occurrence, like finding a brand new Potosi. Right now, the geologic maps that you see down in the left in the center, that show you the outline of the caldera. So that black circle that you see in the left-hand side, that's the outline of the volcanic footprint. The area that the company has focused on drilling for a resource is shown in the red oval. It's shown in greater detail down in that center geologic map. You can see a lot of drill holes that have been completed by the company over the past 12 or 13 months. The goal of the company is to drill out a box roughly 1,400 meters long, about 500 or 600 meters wide, and about 600 meters deep. That box hosts a huge tonnage of rock, over 1 billion tons, we'll call it. How much is mineralized? Maybe 30, maybe 40%. That's huge. We're talking about a target here that could be a few 100 million tons. Grades, probably weighted average somewhere between 2.5 to 4 ounces of silver equivalency per ton. This is a monster. And that's only a subset of the whole property. See the purple line that goes across the image on the left? In sectional view, the magnetics show us a profile of what's likely happening at depth. It's basically showing you where the porphyry, the intrusive rocks that are associated with this mineralization, occur in the subsurface. And the porphyry is probably down there at the south end where you see the word porphyry with question mark. And then each one of these areas between there all the way up to Santa Barbara is progressively richer in silver and lead and zinc, and tin occurs more to the right-hand side of that image. Ultimately, once this whole thing is drilled out, including that porphyry, it will evolve over the next 2 or 3 years. No question. It's going to be a monster.